Good morning, students. Today we are going to do one activity of class 10th. That activity's aim is to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, in this activity what we are going to do? We are going to do the experiment to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, for this experiment the materials required are, okay, we need some material to perform the experiment. So first the material required are de-starched potted plant, one potted plant which is de-starched. De-starched means it should be kept in dark for 3-4 days so that all the starch produced are being utilized by the plant. Okay, now next, black paper, scissors, sellotape, clip, water, spirit, dropper, forceps, beaker, petri dish, tripod stand, wire gauze, spirit lamp, water bath, iodine solution, blotting paper and the matchbox. Okay, all these materials are required for performing our experiment. Now we are moving towards the procedure. Okay students, now we are moving towards the procedure. Okay, we are moving towards the procedure. Now in procedure, first what we have to do, take a potted plant, one potted plant with green leaves, okay, place it in a dark room for 3 days so that all the starch is used up by the leaves. Okay, what we have to do, we have to make the potted plant de-starched, okay, by keeping it in the dark room for 3 days. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning of de-starched. Means all the starch present in the leaves is being used up by the plant. Okay, second step is cover a part of the leaf of the plant with a black paper. Cover that one part with the black paper. Okay, we have to cover the leaf with the black paper. Now keep the plant in sunlight for about 6 hours. Okay, by covering the leaf, any one leaf, we can cover it with the black paper, and now keep the whole plant with that covered leaf also in the sunlight for about 6 hours. Okay, how much time? It is 6 hours. Okay, now the next step is pluck the partly covered leaf from that plant and remove the foil. After 6 hours, what we have to do? We have to pluck that partly covered leaf, okay, which it was covered with the black paper. Okay, here it should be black paper, right? Okay, so the leaf which was covered by black paper, now we have to remove it and we have to bring it in the lab, okay, for performing the experiment further. Okay students, so now our fifth step will be, we have to boil the leaf. Boil the leaf in water for, so that it can become denatured. Okay, so we have to boil the leaf in water to denature the enzymes. All the enzymes which are present in the leaves, it should be denatured. Now what we are doing, we are boiling the leaf in water, okay, so that it can become flaccid यानी कि पिलपिला टाइप का हो जाए, ठीक है. Then immerse it in warm 90% alcohol solution. What we are using? We are using 90% alcohol solution. Now why we are using this alcohol solution? With the help of this alcohol solution, the leaves will become decolorized. Okay, what will happen? The leaves will become decolorized. Okay, and it will become colorless. Decolorized means its original color is being removed. So what is the original color of the leaf? It is green. Okay, in the starting we have taken a green colored leaf. Now it will be decolorized, it will lose its color. Now what we are doing, we are placing it. Okay, next step is place this decolorized leaf in a petri dish and add iodine solution. What we have to do? We have to add iodine solution over it with the help of a dropper. Okay, what we are using? We are using iodine solution, okay, on the decolorized leaf. And now we are going to see the observation. What is the observation of this? Yes, students, after performing this experiment, what is our observation? Okay, what is the result? What is the observation? What we are going to see in this experiment? Now we are going to see that the covered part of the leaf, okay, the part of the leaf which was covered, it remains yellow, okay, its color is denatured, while part of the leaf which received light, it turns bluish black, okay, it turns bluish black. Now this bluish black color, it indicates that the presence of starch. Why? Because starch gives blue black coloration with iodine solution. Okay, it gives the blue black color with iodine solution. It shows that the process of photosynthesis takes place in the uncovered part of the leaf, while there is no photosynthesis process takes place in the covered part of the leaf. Okay, so this is our observation. Next we are going to see the inference. Okay students, now we are moving towards the inference. After performing the experiment, what is our inference? Okay, so the inference is only that leaf part will show photosynthesis or the positive starch test. Okay, starch test will be positive, which is exposed to light. Okay, starch test will be given by the part of the leaf which is exposed to light. Okay, the covered part does not receive sunlight and also does not perform photosynthesis. Covered part will not perform photosynthesis as it is shown by the absence of starch. The covered part will not show any presence of starch. Okay. How we'll conclude it? We'll say that the covered part will not give blue-black test with the starch. So, by this experiment, we can say that light is necessary for photosynthesis, for the formation of starch, or for performing the process of photosynthesis. Light is necessary. Okay, so students, this is our experiment, but one step is left. That one step is the precautions. What are the precautions which we have to follow? Okay, the precautions which we have to follow in this experiment is next we are going to see the precautions. Okay students, next we are going to see the precautions. Okay, what are the precautions which we have to follow while doing this experiment? First precaution is do not injure the leaf while fixing black paper. When we are fixing the black paper, we should not injure the leaves. Leaves को जो है कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचना चाहिए. ठीक है. Second thing, we have to place the potted plant in such a position that light falls directly over the leaf chosen for experiment. जो experiment या जो test के लिए हम plant ले रहे हैं, उसकी leaves जो है वो direct sunlight से expose होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Third point is de-starch the potted plant properly by placing it in dark for 2 to 3 days. ऐसे नहीं कि हड़बड़ी में हम एक ही दिन में उसको निकाल लें, तो that plant will not be de-starched. Okay. Next thing, take care that spirit does not catches the fire. The spirit lamp which we are using for boiling the leaf, that spirit lamp should be handled with care. Okay. And next thing, handle the leaf carefully during boiling. While boiling, we have to handle it very carefully. Decolorizing, how we are decolorizing it? We are boiling it in 90% of alcohol, okay, and washing, while washing from the alcohol. So with this we had completed our activity to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Yes students, this is the view, okay, picture view of the experiment. In the first point, you can say that you can see here a potted plant is kept in sunlight. Okay, here a potted plant is kept in sunlight and it is being covered with a silver foil. We had used the word black paper. Okay, so we can cover that plant with black paper also. Okay, now the next second figure B. Figure B is saying that the chlorophyll being removed from green leaf by boiling in alcohol. पहले हमने किस पे वाटर में बॉईल किया था सेकेंड पॉइंट में, और फिर उसको किस में बॉईल कर दिया, अल्कोहल में. ठीक है, अल्कोहल में डायरेक्टली हम बॉईल नहीं करते हैं स्पिरिट लैम्प पे रख के. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू कीप इट इन अ वाटर बाथ. ओके, यानी कि नीचे एक बड़ा सा बीकर लेके जिसमें पानी रहेगा, पानी को बॉईल करेंगे और अल्कोहल में लीफ को रख के फिर उसको बॉईल करेंगे. ठीक है, what is the percentage of alcohol here? It is 90%. 90% of the alcohol is being used here, right? Now in the next step, chlorophyll removes from the leaf. You can see the leaf is totally decolorized. Okay, how leaf is going to be decolorized? By boiling it in the alcohol. Okay, अल्कोहल में बॉईल करने से क्या हो गया, लीफ जो हो गया वो decolorized. This glass bowl, you can see this is known as petri dish. Okay, now we are keeping it in the petri dish, and in the last step what we are going to do, we are doing the iodine solution being poured over decolorized leaf. decolorized leaf के ऊपर हमने क्या किया है, आयोडीन सोल्यूशन डाला है. ठीक है, तो आप जो है इस डायग्राम को देख रहे हो, आयोडीन सोल्यूशन ड्रॉपर. ओके, नो ब्लू ब्लैक कलर reduced. Where blue black color will not produce, it will be seen in that part which was covered by black paper, जिसको हमने black paper से कवर किया था. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, डायरेक्ट सनलाइट नहीं पड़ी तो स्टार्च का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, एंड द एक्सपोज पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ विल शो ब्लू ब्लैक कलर. ओके, एंड इट सेज दैट starch is produced in this part of the plant. Okay, so you people have to draw this diagram in your practical file, right? Now you can see this is our sequential diagram which we had just seen. Okay, so I hope all of you got this information that light is or sunlight is very important or necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Okay students, we will meet again in our next activity. Till then, goodbye.